What's up people, welcome to my channel. This is Sonam. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do this smoky eye with only two eyeshadow color and one gel eyeliner. I have used gel eyeliner, but if you don't have gel eyeliner you can go for black eyeshadow or kajal pencil, and it's very easy. It goes with every outfit, and with less time you can do it at home. And also we'd like to request you all to subscribe to my channel and hit a like button if you like this video. So without any further ado, let's get started to the video. So here I'm using this concealer for my base. This is from Maybelline, and I'll just blend it with the help of my finger. To set my concealer, I'm using this pressed powder from Wet n Wild. So now I'll be using this gel eyeliner from L'Oreal, but if you don't have gel eyeliner you can go for any black eyeshadow or a kajal pencil. So I'm applying it to my eyelid. You don't have to be perfect, anyhow we are going to smudge it, so don't worry about it. So now I'm going to start blending it with the help of a brush. So we'll start smudging this out, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we will build up the intensity later on. This is the beauty of smoky eye, like it doesn't have to be perfect and anyone can do it, just a little bit of practice, and the beauty is like it goes with every outfit and very simple and easy. So now I'm taking this eyeshadow palette. It's from Makeup Revolution's Resolute Iconic Fever palette, and I'm taking this reddish shade and apply it all up above my crease line with the help of a brush, and I'll start blending it. So it doesn't have to be the same eyeshadow shade, like you can go for any other color, but like dark chocolate, dark brown, etc., and it's totally up to you. So now when I'm quite happy with the intensity, I'll go with another shade. It's a little like light brown eyeshadow, and I'll apply it above that crease line. So now I'm taking this pencil eyeliner from Lakme, and I'll apply it to my upper lash line as well as on my waterline. So it doesn't have to be perfect, I'm saying it again and again because we are going to smudge this anyhow. So from the same eyeshadow, I'll be taking these two shades and apply it to my lower lash line. So here I'm not using any false eyelashes, but it's up to you. If you want to use it, you can use it, because I wanted to keep this tutorial very easy and quick. So this is it guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So see you in my next video. Until then, take care, tata, bye bye.